Hey there, I'm Karen Brooks McWhorter, the Collier Reed Director of Curatorial Education and Museum Services here at the Buffalo Bill Center of the West in beautiful Cody, Wyoming. We're hiring for an exhibition production manager. This is a key position on the museum services team. This is someone who works closely with the curatorial staffs of 5 museums and our research library, our graphic design department, and other team members on the museum services team to produce and bring to life exhibitions across our gallery spaces, including in 2 dedicated temporary exhibition galleries. This position requires creativity and a great sense of organization. Ideally, strong candidates would have a background in exhibition production, preparation, technical museum services, or otherwise. Competitive candidates will possess exceptional organizational and communication skills. They'll have a desire to work collaboratively and an ability to juggle widely varied responsibilities. Additionally, they'll have experience working within museums and a successful track record of managing teams and projects. We hope that they would hold an advanced degree in museum studies, exhibition design, industrial arts, or a related field. This position is full-time, it's salaried, and it's accompanied by an attractive benefits package. Please apply by submitting your resume and a cover letter explaining why you want this position and why you believe you'd be best for the job. Send those letters to Terry Harley or Karen McWhorter. Our information is included here. And check out our website, centerofthewest.org, for more information. Thanks for your interest.